Hello, my good friends. As we approach the later part of the trading day, I'm here to demonstrate to you how Trade Ideas separates itself from all other vendors. We continue to innovate, and without just focusing purely on marketing, what we do here is we show you the incredible technology that we bring to you, the individual investor. And here, what I'm doing is I'm showcasing to you our artificial intelligence, which gives you entry signals to follow and subsequent exit signals depending on your risk levels. But the key on the entry, and assuming that you're holding kind of all day, let's take a look at what we got here. The first one is 105%, the last one that just came through, I have it sorted by last, is 100% winner in SDG. Did I just mention 100% winner? Yes, I did. Okay. The next one, a little bit more expensive of a stock, but a big point gainer, 9%. In PLCE, Children's Place Inc., a short from the gap down. Then you have a short in LI Auto, a short in NTAP, okay, 95 cents, a percent, a long in ARCO, which is just a little bit in the money, and two negative trades, which again can happen, certainly nothing outrageous, but here's what's going on there. It's a short, and these trades are all kind of meant to be swing trades, but the key is to get you through the day. But when you give our subscribers, our premium subscribers, 100% winner, this is why people pile on to use Trade Ideas. There's nothing like this in the market. Visit us at www.trade-ideas.com and see it for yourself. We're still in the test drive, so opportunity to get a big discount and really set yourself up for the whole year. Let's do it.